Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to convert an Excel file to PDF with Save As feature. As we know, Microsoft Excel's Save As feature can save active worksheets as PDF files, but how to save the entire workbook as a PDF file in Excel? In this tutorial, I will introduce several solutions in detail. We can convert an Excel file to a PDF file with Save As feature in Excel. You can do as follows. Open the Excel file that you want to save as PDF. Click the File tab, click Save As, click Browse. In the opening Save As dialog box, you need to select a folder to save the PDF file. I will save it in the desktop and name the PDF file in the file name box. Click the Save As type drop-down list and select PDF from the drop-down list. Click the Options button. In the opening Options dialog box, please check the All option under the page range and check the entire workbook option under the Publish What section. Click the OK button and click the Save button in the Save As dialog box. Until now, active workbook has been saved as a PDF file and saved in the specified folder already, as you can see. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.